You are not lazy, you are misaligned. And if you don't fix how you think, your life will stay exactly the same. Right now, you feel behind. You wait for motivation that never comes. And deep down, you know you are capable of more. That gap between who you are and who you could be is what hurts. Here are 5 mental shifts that change everything. The first shift is comfort is the enemy. Lazy men chase comfort. Killers of mediocrity chase growth. Every time you choose what feels easy, you train weakness. Every time you choose discomfort, you build power. The moment you stop asking, "How do I feel?" and start asking, "What needs to be done?" your life changes. The second shift is ownership without excuses. Nothing is coming to save you. Not motivation, not a perfect plan, not another video. Everything wrong in your life is now your responsibility. This is not blame. This is freedom. Because once it's yours, you can change it. The third shift is identity before results. You don't act disciplined because you don't see yourself that way. Killers don't wait to feel confident. They act like the man they are becoming. You wake up and move with intention. You train even when it's boring. You show up even when no one is watching. Consistency builds identity. Identity builds results. The fourth shift is treating time like a weapon. Lazy men kill time. Strong men protect it. Every wasted hour is a vote for the life you don't want. Stop living like you have unlimited days. You don't. Plan your day. Decide your priorities. Cut distractions without mercy. Your future depends on how you use today.
The fifth shift is pain with purpose. Avoiding pain makes you weak. Using pain makes you dangerous. Training hurts. Focus hurts. Saying no hurts, but regret hurts more. Killers understand that pain is temporary, but discipline compounds. This is not about being extreme. It's about being serious. You don't need a new personality. You need a new standard. From this moment on, move differently. Sit up straighter. Speak with intention. Finish what you start. Do one hard thing today, then do it again tomorrow. Because lazy men wait for life to change. Killers decide. And once you decide, there is no going back.